Hey, what's up guys? It's DJI guy signing back with another video. Hopefully you guys can see me here with the lighting that we've got going on. Today we're gonna be unboxing this right here. It's a DJI MIC 2 transmitter. I felt like I only needed this. I didn't need anything else. Let's just go straight into the unboxing. I know a lot of people have complained about the horrible audio quality in the videos, and honestly I can't really blame them. So this is what we get. It says here on the back that we get, I know you guys can't see this, but we get the transmitter, we get the carrying pouch, the clip magnet, we have a windscreen, we have a USB-C charging cable, and documents. So the carrying pouch is in this plastic wrap here. That, and now we get to the actual pouch. This is such a big pouch for nothing. We have some silica gel, do not eat, of course, and then on one side we've got the USB-C charging cable, and on the other side we've got the microphone itself. Wow, this is actually pretty small. The way that I saw it on the advertisings and stuff, I thought it would be bigger, but they say that the DJI MIC Mini is even smaller than this. That's insane, bro. This doesn't even weigh much. And this little thing here, we've got the windscreen, it looks like, right here, and we should also have a magnetic case, but there's no. Oh, is that it? The clip? I think that's it. Let me see. Yeah, that should be it here. Yeah, it's automatically on it. Okay, so I don't know, what is this for? It's like a little magnet, and it clips onto the close clip. Anyways, let's try to pair it to the camera. Hopefully it's got battery in it. I'm just gonna press on the power button. Okay, do some blue light. They said when it's blinking, it's looking for the Bluetooth function or something. So what I'm gonna do is pause. Do I have to pause it? I think I can just access it. Yeah, I have to pause. End the video here so I can connect via Bluetooth. Give me 1 sec, guys, so we can test out the microphone. No freaking way, guys. You are not gonna believe this. As you can see here, the button is now solid blue, and I see the AirPod button on the camera. So now I wonder if this is actually connected and if it's recording my voice and everything. If this works, I'm testing it immediately soon because I have to go to work, and we'll test it on the way to see how good this mic is, guys. Hold on, let me just make sure that it's recording, and then I'll give you back my thoughts. 1 sec. How was that, guys? How's the audio? I don't know how it sounded like, and but I did a little test video. I wasn't in motion, I was just stationary talking, making sure that it was connected to the camera so that the video wouldn't have been recorded in vain. The whole point of the microphone is so that now I can actually talk while I'm riding and the audio wouldn't be trash. that's supposed to be the goal. What is going on here? And so I'll do what I know to do best, and that is yapping. In my videos I don't typically yap too much because I had no mic and the audio didn't sound that good. But now that we've got a mic, you know, I can afford to open my mouth a little bit more. Yo, that sounds weird, bro. Pause, crush that, bro. Talk a little bit more. Let me be more professional. Hopefully the mic not only captures my voice well, but also like the sound that the scooter makes, the braking, the acceleration, and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, hopefully this sounds good for you guys. I'm holding the scooter in place with my leg right now. If I shift a little bit too much weight on either side, it starts leaning. Man, I'm so excited for this, man. Like the possibilities now, you know what I mean? Like going over bridges, the audio won't just be, you know how it be if you watch my videos, like how horrible the audio be when I go over bridges without the microphone. Let me try to talk as much as I can so I can fully test out the audio on this joint, bro. Also, I've got the windproof cover on this thing so that there's not as much wind noise on it. Hopefully it actually does something and isn't just for decoration. The setup process was very easy though. Like pairing the camera and installing the windscreen, it wasn't much anyways. I just had to like figure it out. The manual isn't that detailed. I mean, it gives you the information, but like the step by step and stuff, not really that detailed. They say if you can survive driving in New York, you can drive anywhere, but New Jersey was kind of crazy, bro. Like last Friday, I drove 256 miles, bro. Um, Going through New Jersey and what's the name? Pennsylvania. And like New Jersey highways, bro, like terrible designs. I'm saying like the merging lanes, as well as the merging lanes, and like when the ramp that the ramps to merge onto the highway, as well as um when some roads become like, okay, when some highways that have like 5 lanes turn into 3, there are no markings whatsoever, and you just have to kind of like figure it out and like yield to each other so you don't crash. Is that a car behind me? Yeah. New Jersey was an experience, to say the least. I know that person wasn't honking at me because I'm chilling, bro. Probably somebody who tried to merge in his lane, since the road got a little bit narrow because of the double park cars. That was a good run. 58% on the battery of the camera. One thing though, this the microphone does not have like a battery meter, so I've got no idea how to tell when it's like charged fully and when it's like dying and stuff. And since it's clipped onto my shirt, I can't see like any blinking lights or anything like that. Touching it right now. I don't know if that's making any sounds. I'm just tapping it with my finger. It's probably making a tapping sound. I don't know. 5 more seconds. man, I checked the listing for the microphone on Amazon again today, and it went up by $2 more. So I guess I saved myself $2 by buying this a week ago. No signal whatsoever, bro. Almost caused the guy to crash into him. Fucking dumbass. But yeah guys, this was the testing of the video for now and the daytime ride. We also gotta test it out tonight after I end my shift, so I'll see you guys then. And yeah man, all right guys, so I did check out the audio, and it wasn't as good as I expected. And then I noticed that I had the external mic gain set to +3. I don't know if that was the reason, but now it's set back to just 0. So we'll see if that does anything for the audio, because I didn't like it at all earlier. One thing that the mic was good at though is, despite the audio not being the best, I still the wind noise was like reduced to the bare minimum, bro. I was actually impressed by how good it reduced the wind noise. It is now midnight and we're heading back home right now. Streets are pretty dead around this time, usually. So we should be getting there pretty fast.
like riding at night so much because of how deserted the streets are, bro. There's also less cops to worry about as well. You know? Empty streets, fast scooter equals fun. Oh snap, I meant to have this one blinking. Alright, we good. Okay, now it's blinking. When it's blinking, it just grabs more attention from the drivers. Especially at night, you want to have as much visibility as possible. Freaking jaywalker, bro. There's a speed camera up the front there. Let's see if we can trigger it tonight. Already going way past the speed limit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's pretty cold, even with the jacket I got going on. This one's pretty thin, and I'm going pretty fast too tonight. Also installed a brand new dash cam on my car, just like the car you're seeing in front of it. I have the exact same one, but it's just gray, and it was pretty easy to install and figure out. It's a 4-way dash cam. It's got a front facing one and 2 side facing ones that you could adjust to face the cabin or the sides of the car, and a rear one that took me quite a long time to wire and stuff, but yeah, man, all is good. So I have just one problem though. So with my 2015 Escape, I could have the car off and still have power to the cigarette lighters, but with this one, apparently Honda cuts off all power to the car whenever you turn it off, and so the camera can't record 24/7. So that's an issue that I currently have, and I asked ChatGPT, and it said that something I could do is wire it directly into the fuse box so that it can draw power from the battery. But that's kind of doing too much. I just wish there was like an easier solution. Let's tailgate him. Oh, it's a taxi driver? Wow, she's gonna drive so slow, bro. Exactly at the speed limit, bro. And it's nighttime too. Oh. Ah. Alrighty, this was a good test of the microphone. I think this time the audio should be a little bit better than a couple of hours ago, since the mic gain now is set to 0. I have no idea what these things even mean, but I think it should sound better now. It's midnight. I'm not trying to go anywhere right now. I'm tired, just trying to go home, man. Emergency stopping power, great, as it should. Alrighty guys, I guess this will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're still here, appreciate you even more. And hopefully you guys like the new audio now, and yeah man, see you guys next video. Amazing braking, man, amazing. But yeah man, bye.